is a place in northern Streymoy known for its natural environment. Vestmanna Municipality, with a population of around 1,200, is host to the Faroe's only local Agenda 21 organization, perhaps why it's known as a green village. Started in 2004, the organization encourages the environmental preservation as part of the United Nations Declaration. Vestmanna School is dedicated to improving the environment and was recognized as a 2010 Most Green Public Institution. After-school activities for first and second graders are also available at Vestmanna's daycare centers Djurlawn and Latipuipan. While the area is known for handball excellence, it also participates in competitive rowing, badminton, gymnastics, and chess. Vestmanna also hosts cultural activities such as choirs, a horn orchestra, a music school, and evening classes, offering an array of options. In 2007, the youth center called Steje, or The Place, opened, allowing youth to organize activities on their own. The center is open weekday evenings and is home to the only local radio station in the Faroes. Vestmanna holds the Fjärastevna, or Fjord Festival, every other year, and the Boat Festival every year in May. Boats from across the Faroes and many outdoors enthusiasts converge on Vestmanna's wide harbor to enjoy the festivities. Culture, competition, and natural beauty. Experience Vestmanna.